Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to convert your cryptos on Trust Wallet. So this is extremely easy to actually go ahead and do. So let's go ahead and get right into it. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head over to your Trust Wallet. Now from Trust Wallet, head over to your browser and you're going to want to search up pancakeswap.finance/swap. Now you guys can see I actually have it as the second option here. I'm going to go ahead and search that up and we're going to go ahead and we're actually here at the PancakeSwap, guys. Now basically here you can actually swap out your cryptos and pretty much exchange them for another crypto. So it's very important that you go ahead and connect your wallet, guys. Connect your wallet, make sure it's connected or else this will not work. But with that being said, you're just going to want to go ahead and pick the crypto you want to go ahead and convert. So let's say I have some Bitcoin. I can go ahead and convert Bitcoin to PancakeSwap token, or I can go ahead and swap it to some ApeCoin. Let's say I want ApeCoin. Now what I would go ahead and do is I would put maybe 10 Bitcoin and then here it would swap to whatever amount of ape. And then here the slippage and stuff, it's going to show you and how much price per ape, guys. Now make sure you guys do this, and pretty much that's how you go ahead and actually that's pretty much how you go ahead and convert cryptos, guys. It's extremely easy to actually go ahead and do, guys, and pretty much that's how you go ahead and convert cryptos. But anyways, hopefully you found this video extremely helpful, guys, and with that being said, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.